Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone supports unlocking with a fingerprint after a restart, and that you have a PIN or password set as the required fallback. Once done, make sure the device has more than 20% battery and perform a reboot. After the restart, go immediately to Settings, search for Security or Biometrics, and select Fingerprint. Enter your PIN or password when prompted. This step reestablishes trusted credentials and lets the system accept new or existing fingerprints. Now focus on enrolling or re-registering your fingerprints. Tap Add Fingerprint and follow the rhythm. Rest and lift your finger repeatedly so the sensor captures edges and center. Once the progress indicator reaches 100%, name the fingerprint if your phone allows it. If you had prior fingerprints, you must re-register each one individually because the system stores them as separate templates. Also make sure biometric permission is enabled for apps by checking each app's permissions. This ensures payments and app unlocks work smoothly. Finish by testing the fingerprint unlock several times, both from the lock screen and app prompts, to confirm reliability. If you see frequent failures, make small adjustments. Clean the sensor and your finger, remove wet or greasy residue, and verify screen protectors are compatible with your sensor type. If problems persist, clear all biometric data and re-enroll fingers from scratch. If that still fails, perform a backup and consider a factory reset as a last resort, since corrupted credential storage can prevent successful unlocks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.